Hello, good afternoon to everybody. My name is Claudio Mammino from RINA Consulting, which is an engineering and consulting company of RINA Group. Today I'm going to show you what is ePRODIS, what we developed within CC4 project. The ePRODIS is an integrated product information system that collects data on different types of floor coverings and support all the stakeholders in the life cycle of the products. Currently in ePRODIS platform we manage data for the vinyl, textile, laminate and MMF products. This platform provides access to all stakeholders involved in the product life cycle. The platform provides access both for registered and not registered user. So the platform has also a public area. Each user can register on the platform and access to a specific data based on their role. Below we can see 5-6 different roles managed by the platform: the producers, installers, recyclers, maintainers, and so on. Each of these users can access to a subset of information based on the role. So if I'm an installer and log into the system and search for a product, I can get information about the installation of a product. If I'm maintainers, the same thing. Part of the product information is also accessible to not registered users. Of course, not all data, but just the public data. So also not registered users can search for a product into the system and get information, of course, more general information about a product. The producer is the most important role on the platform, because the producer is the only one who can add or modify the product on the platform. Product and producers are linked to a company, and each producer has access and can add or modify only the products linked to his own company. So one producer can't modify product inserted from other companies, of course. This increases the security of the data inside the system. The platform has been developed to be as flexible as possible. It's possible to create different datasets that can be linked to a new product added to the system. This allows to create different datasets for specific needs. For instance, if a product needs to be compliant with a specific ISO standards, it's possible to create a specific data template and use this template for the new product inserted into the system. One of the key points of the project is also the creation of the digital product passport for all the products present in the platform. The structure of this document has not yet been defined by the European community, but the system is ready to be adapted to this new standard when it will be defined. All the information for each product is organized in the platform in sections in order to improve the user experience. Below we can see general data, product identification, environmental information, product composition and tagging, and so on. The last two, product composition and tagging, are in bold because it is very important for this feature. It is the tagging of the products, because a very important point that gives added value to the platform is to the connection between the information of a product and the product itself. To achieve this, each product on ePRODIS system can be linked with a tag previously embedded in production construction phase, as this morning saw. The creation of this permanent link is the key to increase the circularity. We can see a classic scenario. We have a recycling plant that works the tagged flooring waste incoming, and the recycling plant that, for instance, has a identification and sorting pilot installed, as we saw this morning, is able to read the tag embedded into the flooring waste, read the code in that tag, use this code to make a request of info for that product to ePRODIS database and get information, useful information, like, for instance, material composition, environmental information, hazardous substances, and so on. And the availability of this information will improve the circularity and the recyclability of the product that the recycling plant is working. The platform is already online. Here we found the link, eprodis.eu. And now I'm going to show you a video that we recorded with a live platform in use.
The ePRODIS platform is an integrated product information system that collects data on different types of floor coverings and supports different players in the product value chain. On the public homepage, the platform allows users to search for products either by name or by code. This provides immediate access to all the details of any product that has already been registered on the platform. At the moment, the digital product passport feature is not yet available, but the system has been designed to support it as soon as it is formally defined by the European Union. In the top right corner of the home page, there's a quick guide available, which guides the users through the steps required to register on the platform. It also explains the different user roles, starting with the producer's role, which allows users to add the products according to their company's product category. The guide also includes description of the other roles that can be assigned to the users. Once a user has completed the registration steps, they can log in using Microsoft Authentication. After logging in, they will be taken to the quick reference page. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is a list of product categories. By clicking on their username in the top right corner, users can view their personal profile, including their assigned role or roles, their associated company, and their relevant product category. In this example, we are acting as a laminate producer. The producer role is the only one who can add new products or edit existing ones that belong to the same company. When creating a new product, it is mandatory to provide a name, an ID code, and to select the template type. The template includes all the relevant product information sections and follows the draft structure proposed for the digital product passport, While the template provides a base structure, it's flexible and can be customized by the platform admins. So once the initial fields are saved, the producer can access the full template and begin entering detailed product data. One key section is the tagging section, which allows external systems such as recycling technologies using NFC tags to query the product data and get detailed info about, for instance, the material composition of the product or the presence of hazardous substance. This info could be used to improve the recyclability of the product. Another important section concerns the layers that compose the product. It is possible to define different layers, namely the use layer, the middle layer, and backing layer. For each of which it is possible, specify the materials it is composed of, including the percentage of pre-consumer and post-consumer recycled content. All the products data is available on the products details page, and the info is organized in different sections for better visualization. Each platform stakeholder has access only to a subset of them based on their role.
What next? Of course, the next step is to feed the system with new products, new user registered in order to enlarge the community of this platform. And of course, as previously said, to add the product passport feature when it will be defined by the European Commission. Thank you.